Why is nobody talking about doing their acne treatment in the shower? This one habit change is the only reason why I stuck with it. I've had these stubborn bumps on my chin and hairline for years that would just kind of come and go, and I tried everything. Maybe it was I wasn't using the right product, plus I wasn't giving it a chance to work. That's when I came across the Cruz Sulfur ointment, and I started using it in the shower. I apply a thin layer, let it sit while I wash my hair and everything else, then I rinse it off last. So there's no timer, no extra step at the sink, and no excuse to skip it. So this worked great for me, and consistency is key. It's not just the one time you use something, but whether you're using it 3 weeks later. This sulfur ointment is a pale yellow, balm-like texture, and a little bit goes a long way. Yes, you'll smell sulfur when it's on, but it rinses right off. With regular use, my chin has been looking a lot smoother, less texture, and clearer pores. If you buy skincare with good intentions, but it ends up in the drawer, try this sulfur ointment with the shower method. I highly recommend.